Welcome to the HHA Exchange Enterprise Electronic Visit Verification Caregiver Training for using GPS with the HHA Exchange mobile app. Now let's go through the actual clock in and clock out process using the mobile app. At the beginning of the visit, the caregiver logs into the mobile app from a valid GPS address in the patient's profile. The caregiver then selects today's schedule. The scheduled visits for the day will display, and the caregiver selects the current visit. Then the mobile app will display the patient name, the visit duration, and the duties. There are buttons for clock in and clock out. The caregiver clocks in by selecting the clock in button and then selects the GPS button as the verification method. A screen then displays indicating that the clock in was successful, and the caregiver selects OK. In order to clock out, the caregiver returns to the mobile app screen and selects clock out. The app then displays the plan of care duties that were to be performed. The caregiver checks off the duties performed, and if a duty was not performed, the caregiver leaves both circles blank. If a duty was refused, the caregiver selects the red circle next to that duty. And for some agencies, a drop box may appear for the caregiver to select a reason for the refusal. When finished, the caregiver selects the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. For some agencies, a patient signature screen may now display. In those cases, the patient signs using their finger, the caregiver saves the signature, and the image of their signature is recorded in the HHA Exchange system. The mobile app then displays a message that the clock out was successful. Once confirmed, the clock in and clock out confirmation times display on the schedule. If the times match the actual appointment times, they will appear in green. If the clock in and clock out times are different, they will appear in red.